Yeah, people, what happened this week in the Six Nations? What is perfection, man? I don't know how to say it, but seeing Italy destroy England this weekend was really nice, and for Wales to do that, yeah, I I couldn't believe it, and yeah, Scotland, yo guys, it was a great weekend of Six Nations rugby. I would say this weekend was extremely historical in the Six Nations because it never have I ever heard of Italy beating England. Yo, when I heard that, I didn't even watch the match that day. Just to think about it, I didn't even watch the match. But yo,